friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn cleanliness. 10 lines essay on cleanliness. Number 1. Cleanliness is very important in everyone's life. 2. Cleanliness is a good habit. Number 3. Cleanliness keeps us healthy. Number 4. It reduces disease spread. Number 5. Cleanliness leads to peace of mind. Number 6. Our cleanliness can save the environment. Number 7. Cleanliness impacts other positivity. Number 8. It builds discipline and responsibility. Number 9. It reflects your thoughts and actions. Number 10. Cleanliness creates a better society. Thank you watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.